You know, another surprising thing about travel here, I'm actually kind of shocked how many people are here. Like, you don't hear that much about. So I've had my breakfast, I've had my coffee, I've got my ticket to the museum. I'm walking down to the hotel now, and just on the way, going past this park, I thought, yeah, make a little video. Look, isn't that a beautiful sight? It's cool that they do tolls right in the middle. But you know, it's like so crowded, and obviously it's a big vehicle, isn't it? So yeah, and also they're moving quite slow, aren't they? So I've had my breakfast, I've had my coffee, I've got my ticket to the museum. I'm walking down to the hotel now, and just on the way, going past this park, I thought, yeah, make a little video. Look, it looks superb. That's why. Even the cafes, I saw loads of people, they're on the bays already from such early timing. Yeah, look at that. That's why they've got bars everywhere. They've got buses. And yeah, I just thought these little cafes, you know, like under the trees, and the way they set up, they look super duper nice. Got a lot of crows as well, isn't it? So yeah, I've seen loads of people with these scooters as well. I swear, would love to get one actually. Not too sure what the score is. I got a bit lost there, I need to wake up. I was looking somewhere else. You know, she know. But yeah, it's super duper cool. It's actually only 2 o'clock at the moment, so the check-in time is 3 p.m. so I can't even really check in. But I thought, alright, I'll just get there at least, give my stuff, and then I can have a little chill pill, chillax. And I saw some, like, a couple of takeaways where you can all look at the fucking head on that crow. That is fucking mad, mate. What the hell? That's a hench-ass crow, mate. That ain't no normal crow. That's a fucking Polish crow. I'm telling you now. What the hell? That was a humongous crow. Yo, his head's been like, what the hell? And not all of them have a head like that, but some of them do. You know, another surprising thing about travel here, I'm actually kind of shocked how many people are here. Like, you don't hear that much about travel. Oh, that was a close call, wasn't it? Freaking hell. What was that? Mine or hers? Yeah, you don't hear many people talk, like I haven't anyway. That's why, you know, I like to go places what a little bit unusual and cost effective, of course. You gotta watch the dinero, because we'd rather be investing it rather than spending it at this age. So that's how I travel, by the way. I work, I earn, I invest, and then I go booyah and disappear. So, but right now I can't do that. I have to go back to England. That pierogi shop, am I saying it right? Oh, I'm demolishing the language again. This Pizzatopia is quite famous as well, quite popular. I saw quite a few reviews about it online, but I haven't been yet. I'm still full from the breakfast in the morning. Oh yeah, that's the pierogi place. So yeah, you know, the breakfast is freaking humongous, like I said. So I've not really had a chance to even eat anything else as of yet. Not even like a snack, because I think that was a high protein. I swear they had, like, I normally eat, yeah, I go to the gym, so I eat 5 eggs every day, and I swear that must have been more because I feel absolutely full. Perhaps they also did have feta cheese. I think it was feta cheese, and also they had salmon with it as well. So maybe those are two things bumped up the protein levels. That's why I'm so full. Oh look, Thai massage. I was talking about it. You know, I was saying earlier I need like a sports massage. I wonder how much that is. I'm gonna actually go back on the way back. I don't have time at the moment. But when I go back, I'll have a look what the price is for that. But yeah, look, there's actually a lot of people, a lot of tourists, perhaps even Polish tourists, people from different places around Poland, you know, they probably come here as well. Taiwan. Yeah, there's a lot of cool different things here. Sometimes they have these little side alleyways, and within that, so there's like loads of other shops. We've got like apartments, hotels everywhere, and you can't really tell. Even like, look, the McDonald's is like an old classic looking building, so you don't even know. The Starbucks was the same, which I think is super cool because it preserves, you know, the originality of the building. Like, what the hell, like that don't even look like a McDonald's. Obviously inside, internally, is a whole different game. Same, I said that to my hotel staff lady as well. I said, look, from the outside, even when I was entering the hotel, I was like, whoa. And then, however, when you get inside, you're like, they're totally different. Oh my God, there's an IKEA here as well. I don't know why I get surprised. Because they are all over the world, aren't they? There's one IKEA right near my house. I almost tripped then. It's a little bit less people actually now. But still, did you think Poland would be like this? Or once I've got that kick, then I'm ready to rock and roll. I need to still put this away. Basically, I had to change accommodation. Yesterday, the place where I went, you know, I just didn't like it. It was too small for me, and well, it wasn't that I just didn't like it. To be honest, yeah, they had a sofa bed. It was my own fault. I didn't read it properly, yeah, because I thought it was like a proper bed, and then when I got there and it was a sofa bed, honestly, it was just absolutely crap. I was like, no way, I'm staying here. So yeah, I just said so. I was like, look, I'm leaving. I'm gone, mate. Booked the next hotel. So we're just walking around now. We're going to the underground museum now. So you can see they love donuts here. They're everywhere. They love beer. They've actually got super cool bars as well. I think we need to buy the tickets from here. I'm gonna go have a look in a minute, but I just wanted to get that super duper view in. Wow, cool. Right, I love how they've got the horses as well. How do they maneuver them with all the people walking around as well? You just go, it's super cool, isn't it? Look at that. That looks so cool, man. I love that. It's superb. Daylight views. Oh, there's some more coming through there. So the museum is just right there. Oh, I can smell something. Guess it's only natural. The animals around. A lot of pigeons. Watch. That means come here. There's some words that I keep hearing again and again, and then I'm like, oh yeah, this is what it means. So let's go have a look. Should get the tickets from here somewhere. Apparently. Just wanted to have a look, walk around to these cool little markets. I'm just having a look. I just saw some sandals. And look at these cool dolls. I don't know if that's a bit excessive though. That's like 30 quid, isn't it, for like a doll? 150 for something like that. A lot of jewellery. A lot of religious artifacts and photos. Mugs, cups, jewellery. I get distracted so easily. I just start looking at random things. I'm like, yeah, okay. But yeah, I was gonna say that I think the price is a little bit excessive here. Perhaps maybe because it's like a bit central, and yeah, because I don't know. Someone could tell me. Wow, it was just, excuse me, sorry. Crashed into a tour there. Wallets. Oh wow, it's getting a bit crowded in there. Back out. We've got all these things to prevent pigeons. So they've got all them spikes. So the underground museum tickets you get from there, the 40 zlotys. So it's like £8. And then you go around on the other side. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to go for a cafecito. And then I will go inside the museum. Because I've just ate and I feel like I need a kick in it. Oh, boom. Give me a little kick. Alright guys, checked in to my hotel. Now I'm off to the museum. It looks quite big. Let's go check it out. The underground museum. 40 zlotys to get in. The hotel's actually superb. The room was fantastic because it is it's a pretty decent sized room, and it's literally is around here, it's over there, and mate, so much better than freaking Airbnb. I probably paid a bit more, and the room was awful, hence I left. So I hope they give me money back for that. I'll let you guys know if I get it back or not. But yeah, I was like, nah, I need my sleep, innit? That's the most important thing. Look at that brown pigeon. Diversity amongst the Polish pigeons. Just entering the underground museum. So yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. It's like, it's got a few different flavors here. Inside they have got more. They've got chicken, and then they've got a couple more in there. I'll show you as well. At first, I initially thought it was only this. So I've been dipping it actually with my hands. So apparently you're meant to do it with your hands. So I've been grabbing it, dipping it in. I do have a knife and fork. It's making my hands red, but yeah, it's quite tasty. Show you the proper way to eat it. Get the pierogi. I'm going to take a shot of this. I got chicken and I got the spinach ones. I like the spinach ones a bit more. The spinach ones have a better aftertaste. The chicken ones, as soon as they're in your mouth, it's chicken in it. Who doesn't like chicken? Look at this, what I'm repping. Yeah, I got this ice cream. Apple pie ice cream. I've never heard of that flavour, but it's